Hello guys, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you the top 3 secrets tools that will surprise you. So, subscribe this channel to get more interesting Photoshop tutorials. Let's get started. The number 3 is remove background. There are several ways to remove background, but I will tell the fastest and easiest way to remove it. First, pick the quick selection tool. Then click on select subject. Now at the bottom right, click on add a layer mask. Now see the magic, the background has been removed with less time consumption. The number 2 is placing logo on a t-shirt. First of all, paste the logo you want to blend with your t-shirt, and change the mode from normal to color burn. Now this looks awesome and more realistic. The number 1 is to remove person from an image. I know you think that this is impossible, but with Photoshop nothing is impossible. First pick the lasso tool, and select the person you want to remove. Go to edit, and click on fill, and hit OK. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Now this looks awesome. I hope you like this video. If you want more interesting Photoshop tutorials, subscribe this channel.